This 2024 Coachmen Chaparral 381 DBL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 1 foot 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV, spare tire kit, DVD player, external shower, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, skylight, slide-out, water heater, smoke detector. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.